Well, good morning and welcome back to Poshcats Camping. It's competition time and we suddenly realised that we've almost run out of time. This is going live, this little video is going live at 2 o'clock and we're approaching that time already. So we're going to get cracking. We're a little bit different. We're going to wander through the house and show you what we're up to this morning. We've got all the family coming this afternoon. There's about, I don't know, 10 or 12 of us. And we always get people together when we put the Christmas decorations up. Now we're a little early this year, before you moan. It's the 30th of November. But it's because all the families are busy, or the people are busy the next weekend. And we're away for nearly 2 weeks as well, as of Thursday. So that's the excuses done. I'll wander through. I think I can hear the vacuum cleaner going, so bear with us. We'll wander through and I'll show you a little bit of our house inside in a muddle, because we are literally preparing for our family to arrive. So here we go. So whistle stop tour then. This is our little kitchen. We've got some goodies on the table there. That table's normally in the hall. Sue was just putting this tree up. Won't show you the washing up. We've got a little island here with the candle on, and Oscar's asleep. I think Sophie's hiding up in the bedroom. Utility room through there. This is where the Christmas tree normally is, and under the stairs cupboard where the Hoover's just come out, and we normally put the Christmas tree there. We'll do that when the girls arrive, and through into the lounge. And here we've got the usual stuff. Haven't put any lights up yet. Always put some lights around the top here. Haven't got any lights up yet, but still quite a muddle. Oh, Christmas tablecloth is out, and Sue's through here. I'll just get a switch off the Hoover. So the Christmas tree is there, the little one. This is the little diddy one we have out in the conservatory here, and got the box. There isn't a hat, there's a box, and there's about 40 names in there, roughly. I think it's just over 40 now, of all those that have entered with the correct answers. And then this is the prize. Well, we've got 3 of these, so 3 of these to give away. The mug, the new Poshcats Camping mug with Katie, the Rapido, and us, and the 2 puppies on that side. And inside we've got a couple of little goodies here. We've got the new card with Katie on, and the old one with Smurf as well. We'll pop them inside, and then you've got a sticker for each as well. So you've got the Katie Poshcats Camping sticker, and the Poshcats sticker with Smurf. So we'll pop them in there, and let's get on and do the draw. I forgot my favourite cuddly toy for this season. Right, we've got Sue over here now, getting ready for the draw. So I'll sit myself down, pop the camera on the table, and we'll go ahead. Did I show you the prizes?
Yes.
I did. Oh, okay. Yeah. That's fine then. So we've got 3 of those, and here's the, as I say, I think there's about 40 in here, so if you take one out, I'll read it out.
Well, thank you everybody for taking part.
Yeah, thank you for taking part. Yeah, it was good. Try and be quick. After this very short video is the next video from our series with Katie. So don't forget to stick around for that, if not watch it a bit later. We've got the first one out is Martin and Beryl with Ted, and I think Ted is the dog. Oh. So well done. There'll be an email flying across to you very shortly, if not today, perhaps tomorrow, because we are really busy today. And then if you could send it back again with your postal address, we'll get a little parcel off to you in time for Christmas.
Right, so we'll put that to one side. That's the first one.
Put that to one side. Don't put it back in here.
No.
Right. We're so organised. Next one. The other thing I wanted to say thank you for is all the lovely comments. It didn't influence us in any way, because you're all in here, but there was a lot of people that said thank you for the videos and all that sort of thing, so we really appreciate that.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. And this one is Julie Goff. So that's Julie. I'll be sending you an email shortly.
Thank you very much.
Certainly in the next day or 2 anyway. And one more?
One more?
Yeah, one more.
I'll rummage.
Have a rummage. Right. Yeah, it's genuine. We're full of technology here, you know. Yeah, we do everything the old-fashioned way, don't we? And this one's from Merv and Mel. Well done to you as well. So that's the 3.
Lovely.
I'm really sorry to everyone who didn't win. I mean, it's probably nearly 40 odd of you that haven't won.
30 odd cups, have you?
No, I didn't buy that many cups. We will be getting a few more mugs. Perhaps we can do something again in the new year. But really appreciate that. We are going to be out with some friends doing the Vlogmas tour, aren't we?
Yes, we are, next week.
And we start on Thursday. Today being Sunday, we're going Thursday, and we're starting off in the Cambridgeshire area, moving up to Yorkshire, and then coming back down the A1. And we're going to be meeting people along the way. And
10 days.
10 days.
So we've got ahead and got all my Christmas shopping done and wrapped up and ready.
Yes. Yeah.
We've got to make dates so we can deliver them now, haven't we?
Yeah, it's been a busy couple of weeks, but we're going to enjoy that. And we're also going to go and see some Christmas lights at Sowerby Hall, which is up near Bridlington. If you're in that neck of the woods, we'll be up there for a few days, won't we, Sue?
Yep.
All right. So we'll see you soon. It's a bit early to wish you a Merry Christmas,
Well,
but
that's never too early.
never too early. All right then.
We're starting to put our decorations up early this year, aren't we?
It is a bit early.
That's we're away for 10 days.
Yeah, that's right. So don't forget to watch the next video. It'll be on in just a few minutes on this channel, and it's our trip to Simpsons and Sandringham. So that sounds exciting, doesn't it? Yeah, well. See you next time then.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye bye.